Here's a tailgate idea for you. Jalapeno popper cheese ball in the shape of a football. Who didn't like that? First up, we got 2 blocks, room temperature cream cheese. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of a cheddar jack blend, 1 fresh jalapeno, finely chopped. Then I got some pickled jalapeno. I love that difference in flavors. Then we're adding just the white part of some green onion, and we need some chopped bacon, about a 1/4 cup on the inside. Let's get it whipped up. Slow at first, and then we're gonna speed it up. Now we gotta season it using a little salt, pepper, and garlic. Gotta have some hot sauce and a little bit of Worcestershire. We're gonna give it another mix. We're gonna take it out of the bowl, turn it out on some plastic wrap. Now we're gonna wrap it up in the plastic wrap, start kind of forming it into a ball shape. Then we're gonna put it right down in a little ramekin. It needs to go in the refrigerator for about an hour at least. Overnight doesn't hurt. Let's go get this one chilled. So I've mixed the green onion and the chopped up bacon together, and then flip it right on top. Bring it up around the edges, kind of pat it down a little bit. We're gonna carefully flip it over. Whatever we have left, we're just gonna pat around the outside edges. And we're just gonna add some little cheese slices to make it look like it's got some laces on top. I don't even cook anything outside. It is that easy. You're gonna impress all your friends with this jalapeno popper cheese ball. That's delicious.